King Kong? Yeah.
I have a crappy camera, so they have to get closer.
Oh, we rub up against it. So affectionate.
You moved. Watch me draw my phone on there. Here's a tasty treat. Tastes of metal.
Yeah.
Oh, I got him.
Very nice.
Yay. Did you get a good one? I mean, for a cell phone photo. Yeah. It's a good
Yeah. Hey, Precious. This is my favorite part of the fence.
Hello.
Hey.
He's making it further every time.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you guys are trying to get pictures for your Yeah. Give me a sight.
So nice.
Hey, baby boy.
He's like, yeah, we'd love to eat one of you for lunch. And we fell.
Go around the corner and now you'll be able to get him up close.
Oh, big yawns.